How to block all Android device. First open your phone setting. Scroll down and tap on this option, Google. After you see recommended and all service, tap on all services. Scroll down and see add. Tap on this option add. You will can find delete advertising ID. Tap on this option, delete advertising ID. Tap on here. After then delete. Minimize and go your home screen. After then open phone setting, search private DNS. After then tap on private DNS provider and select host name. You will see and find this option, DNS /dns.com. Tap on it, select. After then you confirm, press OK. And next go to your Gmail account, open it. Search bar you type and search this option, unsubscribe. Tap on this option, unsubscribe, and see this option, they provide ad, and open email. Scroll down and see bottom this option, unsubscribe button. Tap on unsubscribe button. When you enter, you will see and find this option, select any option. After then tap and submit, confirm, submit. Open your Chrome browser on your device. After then you find top right corner 3-dot line. Tap on here. Scroll down and see this option, setting. Tap on this option, setting. When you tap setting, scroll down, you also see and find this option, site setting. Click on site setting. After then find this option, notification. Tap on this option, notification, and see this top right corner, turn off this notification icon and minimize back. Scroll down and see this option, pop up and redirect. Tap on here. Tap on, you will see and find pop-up icon of it. After then minimize. Scroll down, you will see this option, intrusive ad. Tap on it. After then turn off intrusive app notification. Thanks for watching this video.